Yes, man, butcher. The look this, you know?
Look good look, bro.
Yeah, man, but nah, but I still look smaller to like it size cut down, you know?
Really, you know, bro, because I really still have really size and quality we have come out of the store. You see?
That is it.
Right. Because the quality we look for over quantity, you know?
That is it, alright, that's some man, that man pray, man. You see?
Yeah, my dog. So yeah, so you have a thing in the AC though. Alright, you know, it's a studio you're building at a wall for my friend.
Yeah, so talking about that. Butcher Kingman then donate a AC too.
Yeah. But bro, too long with that delay on this studio. I know some making no say. I sleep on my wrist. Ready, you see me? Alright, now I'm going to get that smaller. You know, so just want that smaller.
Yeah, man, watch out now. Just make we take it outside the bad, bro. Alright, you know, a beer, you know.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, my bro. So you say, when you get free, forget this done up there.
Yo, you know what's up? I don't really know exact date, bro. Because I have a local delay, you see me?
Yeah.
But I pre-say, I know your settings.
Yo, that thing again in the butcher. Alright, now you have to go set a date, you know. You see it? If you know it for February, March, you see me? That will force you to get it done.
So I'm not pre-so long still, you know.
I agree with what it is, say, you see me? Because right now we have to actually start set date. I know so we have work towards that, you hear that?
Yo, I know that's still in, but I pre still by February. First week of February, more up and running, you see me?
Yeah, man. That is it, butcher. Right now I expand my business to, you know, 4 more business places me have more to link up, you know. Yeah, man. That are going in a new year, you see it?
I mean,
I that me there pre still. By the first quarter I hear everything for kick off, you hear that? Because even on my side right now, I pray for do some delivery thing, you see me? Get a 1 bike or a 2 bike and get 2 beer, same way, you know? That is it, my bro, man.
I'm glad how you say it, too. Glad how you say I'll get 2 beer if you run off, you bite them and then you go out the money.
Then if me not get 2 beer, I do it myself, me alone out there. Bike. What you say?
Bitch, so how much sitting here can do one time? So I will go run off the shop when you're gone.
What you say? So me no make sure you go and run off the counter, my brother. What you say, go on? Not you, me not have a beer and me go make it work style, my friend. Me out there, man.
no, say that you ever say that.
Jesus Christ, man, tell you, brother. So Vicious, you sure you're sure not going to drink coffee juice then, brother?
Yeah, let's see. So it make how you deal with bad man? Charge what you have against sheriff?
So watcha, how man I get so defensive, butcher? Brother, me not have nothing against the girl, brother. I just tell you say you just meet her and you need to open your eyes. You see it? No more. I make it look so.
Oh, because she a good girl, you know, brother. I see him, so you met me and her in an argument the last time, you know, my friend.
Me?
Oh, you mean?
How me do that?
Oh, you mean? Then if you ever tell me about say she and that the man they charge, look on chase. She could have looked on him. Charge you make me feel all a way when me look on that the youth and I say she and him could have there. No, I say look on. Come like you know how to post.
Mr. Just cool, man. You're going like you're a picnic, brother.
If it's easy, man.
Yo, you know, so that's a thing. You go like you don't take listen, brother. And that's the advice we give, man. You look out and here, you know, bro. You look easy, man.
I look out for your best interest.
I'm not saying no good advice, bad man. But look on Chase. You cannot say she would have with a youth like Chase. Chase, them a scammer in a bad man. Remember, say man a hard working man in a charge. Work me put in, you know.
So hold on, Vicious. You did always step on the right path. You was always a businessman. Eh? You never fall off on that time, them too.
Look how much time we have to talk to him.
Alright.
Nah, I remember the thing there. But not perfect, brother. I remember say you uncle try put him back on the right track. You see me?
I want to you, Vicious. Every youth deserve a chance. I want to allow youth. What you have against youth?
Against him? No, nothing against him. Right now, I'm not even against him. Both in there on the right part. Right now, I drop in, drop off my part. And drop over one next part. Right now, I tear out the uncle out and be a fart in my fart. Anyway, then can't even hold a bat. Laugh, you laugh.
Yo, I still there if you did like this.
Yeah, man. The song can vice out. Round the sun.
Yo, we are talking about, brother.
When me a talk about, I that if you ask me. Yo, bad man, me fi tell you no charge you youth and the uncle can link me the other day, no bad man. I'm want to tell you say, come like me over here, this youth you talk about some little Western Union tracking number and them thing they charge you. And you see by the time the day if you done, I rush, me see my uncle rush out, you know. And that me I tell you in my family. Rush out go away. The police station, me say they hold him in a Western Union. Yeah man, man I feel rush out. Right now, I not even get the full details, so I don't even know what going on.
So bad man, if you don't hear the full details, how you talk? Remember, so Western Union is a funny place, bro. You go there, so collect a portion of money. And you have an ID, then pray, you know.
And an ID business, brother. When they rate all the youth a flex. Boy, you see a youth real come down and juice bar with the uncle. Eh? In a cut off foot shorts, pants weird down under you so charge you and pull over and them thing there. No man, it nah flex right bad man.
Don't know you. And look how they talk to you one day and I tell him say yo, go up on the right path and follow him on and stuff. Don't know you.
Boy, you can't save everybody in this. Some of them youth, you can talk to them. If them don't want to hear, it's up to them, brother.
I tell you say some youth now listen. So they now learn for learn, you hear that? You see from the day when you come in the store and talk to me about the app and the green screen and thing. A crazy green screen me I run from that bad man. Crazy green screen, you hear that? Yeah.
Brother, respect that brother. You see it? I'm glad you take it the same way, you see me? You know, see the man them a deal with all them money that on them up. Yeah? I send man up under them mother and then think they feel like say yo that I go make them a man. A joking business them the brother.
Serious joke.
I'm serious
joke them there. You see it? Yo, you see me done on my studio, bro. But I want a man to come in a gun lyrics and underneath a girl and a scamming song and them there, bro. Straight positive, man. I didn't know it.
What you mean?
And them messages me are pushing me, brother.